Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a Gluta-Kojic cream, face cream. Gluta-Kojic has been a lot in these days. A lot of skincare products have come up with a combination of glutathione and kojic acid, which gives very good skin brightening, skin lightening benefits. It helps to give you a very good clear glowing complexion. So we'll quickly go ahead and start the making of this cream. Now the basic formulation will be shared in the description box for those who want to learn much more commercially advanced formulations. If you all want to start your own brand, if you all want to sell your products, then you all can WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp number given in the description box to join the workshops. So we'll quickly start now. Here we have our water phase ingredients. In this I have taken a little bit of water, glycerin, my polymer. You can also go ahead and use xanthan gum clear as your gumming agent. And here I have my oil phase. This is more of a gel based cream, so it doesn't have a lot of emulsifiers. It just has a thickener and a little bit of emulsifier just to combine my oil phase and my water phase together. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and make the cream. Okay, so now we have gone ahead and heated both our oil and water phase ingredients, and we'll go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase, and we'll give it a blend. So I've gone ahead and blended both the phases here, and now we'll just wait for this to completely cool down so that this thickens. Okay, so now we have kept this for a while here to cool down, and if you all can see how our cream has become into a beautiful texture here. And we'll go ahead and add our active ingredients in this. Since this is a glutathione cream, we'll go ahead and add that in this and mix it. I've mixed the glutathione and the kojic acid in this, and this is how our lightweight cream looks. And now we'll quickly go ahead and add our preservative in this and give it a final mix. And this is an extremely lightweight cream, very good gel like finish on the skin. It doesn't leave any greasiness, any heaviness on the skin on application. If you see, it's very lightweight on the skin, easily absorbs into the skin. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such formulations, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.